From now on, you practice the right and left hand separately first, before you play both hands together. Exercise 3 is an exercise for only the right hand. You see that the exercise starts with your thumb on a high A. The second note is a B, and you play this with your second finger. Notice, however, that the second note of this exercise comes on an afterbeat. This means that you count 1 and 2 and then you play the B, so on the end of the second beat. Don't worry if you don't get the timing right. The audio file will help you getting it. When you play these notes, you probably notice that your hand is moving from right to left over the keys. This is because your thumb is moving down from A to G to F to E. The fingering of all the notes is the same, but you move down one note each time. Now you are ready to practice exercise 3 at 40 BPM. I get back to you after you did exercise 3 at 100 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.